my drives, the brakes on my drives are frozen. Watch out. So we got to unfreeze them, and it ain't like the trailer. I don't want to undo the brakes and then I unfreeze them, then my truck starts rolling, right? So we don't want that to happen. So I got to carry a couple chocks. We want to put them behind my wheels. So it doesn't roll. Now let's push in our parking brake. Watch out, guys. Okay. Truck shouldn't roll. We don't have it in drive. We just got it in neutral. Now, my sledgehammer out. Hear that different sound right there? That's the brakes. Dang near ran into my own door. Better look what I'm doing here. This happens easy on the super singles because the air can hit the brakes. Hear that? Thank God for the trusty 4-pound sledgehammer. Oh yeah. Now let's see if we can back her up. Remember, I got my chocks under the wheel. I don't want to roll forward, right? Watch out! Yeah, we got it now. Now, I'm only going to set the trailer brake because I don't want to reset the Well, I guess we're gonna have to set the trailer brake or the truck brake. All right, let's be quick so they don't refreeze. Once I get them warm, we'll be all right. How many people actually carry chalks? I do. You just never know when you need them. Let's go on the other side. Get that chalk. Winter time. It is winter time. Let's put my bucket back in there. All right. All right. Watch out. Now let's get it worked. Okay. Alrighty. We had to go out there and unfreeze. Like I said, the truck brakes will freeze quick on this thing because of the super singles. The brakes are actually exposed to the air. Like if you had, let's say you had regular duals, that first tire inside would actually cover up that that brake drum, right? So the air doesn't hit the air like it would with a super single, if that makes any sense, right? Now, we didn't get that far. You remember I said it's going to get better? Well, it will get better, but before we got to the better, it got worse. Look at the roads. It was coming down like there was no tomorrow. I mean, it was coming down, but good. So, we pulled into the speedway. This is Lapaz, Indiana. Now we're going to continue on. And that bypass should be a little better than this. I don't want to pull out in front of nobody because I'm going to end up spinning. Probably getting out. I got the differential on. Not too bad. Okay, car, give me a break, would you please? Same time I decided to come out, that car is coming out. A little break.
In 700 feet, make a U-turn if possible.
But no big deal, right? I got the, alright, let's shut off the differential now. It's no big deal. I just got out with my sledgehammer and hit the top of the drum, and you heard the sound, right? It was a thud until it broke loose. Then it sounded like a, it sounded hollow. It sounded hollow. So, and I just went all the way around, did that with my sledgehammer, and boom. But I didn't want the truck, because if it was the trailer, no big deal, right?
Mile, make a U-turn if possible.
The parking brake would actually hold the truck, but being I was trying to undo the truck, I better get the chocks out. I didn't want to do it without the chocks because the truck would start rolling the minute I got the last brake, even though it was in neutral.
300 feet, make a U-turn if possible.
I was, okay, we're gonna mute her, because I know how I'm going here. But, as soon as I got the last brake, without the brakes on, we were downhill. So, I didn't want the truck to start rolling on its own. I wasn't inside the truck, right? Let's see if this bypass is better. Even that was getting really bad. Sometimes I have a habit of leaving them in the lock. I ran into that door, you saw that? And walking back around and actually ran into the door. Alright, we're good. So far, so good. The truck is a little warm. It says it's 27 degrees. Let's see what it really is. The truck cools down a little bit outside. It'll tell me the correct temperature. Yeah, see, this bypass looks excellent. Looks better than US 6. Let's get her down the road, guys, and let's get out of winter wonderland here. I'm gonna go get a shower, boys and girls. Be right back. I'm gonna go get a shower. I'm gonna run in and get me a shower real quick. We're at a Love's here. Let's see if I got enough points to buy me some shampoo on my card. Still kind of cold out here. Can't tell this when you're inside the truck. Going down the road, it's nice and toasty in there. Gotta be quick though, because the bunk heater doesn't work. So Jake and Panda don't have no heat in the truck as right now, so I'm gonna be quick, so that way they're not they don't, right now it's warm in there, but they're not busy. Hey, can you run my cord? I want to see if I got enough for some shampoo. That's it right there?
Yeah, you got $13.25.
Oh, I got enough there. Cool beans.
Yeah.
All right, I'll go. Let me go get some shampoo. Then I'm gonna get me a shower. Okay. I got enough. Whoo-hoo. Hey, I could buy me dinner here. Okay. Hey, they got head and shoulders. Dynamite. All right. I left my shampoo at Mom's house. I gotta get my cord back out.
I put your shower on there, so it'll take everything.
Oh, I see. I thought that was $27.04 for shampoo. I'm about to freak. Cool beans.
Would you like your receipt?
No, we're good. Thank you, ma'am. Oh, yeah, you do, don't you? I'm sorry, I'm still cold from outside.
Customer 7, your shower is ready.
Dynamite, thank you so much.
Shower 3.
Okay, shower. She said what? Shower 3, okay. Shower 3. Oh, try to drown out the music so I don't get no Wi-Fi or 658 33 pounds so we don't get no copyright. Ooh, look at that big old chair. That's a big chair. All right, guys, we're gonna get us a shower. All right. Then we're gonna get us a meal because we got enough points. I can actually get a meal and take it with me. We'll be right back. And just like that, we're clean. All right, let's grab our shower bag. I'm gonna go get me a burger to go. I got food in my truck, but I got points, man. We gotta take our all right. Here we go. Towers. All right, let's go get a burger and we'll get out of here. Whew. Whew. See if I got enough for number 7 on the points. We are sorry for any. Our grill and our charbroil both currently down for maintenance. We only have fried products, ham, cheese, really. So that means you can't get a burger. No burgers. If it's fresh, I know I can eat it. If it's cold, it's hard. Okay. So I'll take that then hand breaded chicken sandwich. Is your fryer working? I mean for your
yeah, French fries and
French fries?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we'll take that then.
What size would you like that?
What size?
Size. Like small, medium, or large?
Oh, medium. Medium will work. Alrighty, let's get out of here. We got us a shower. Got us a little bit of eating. Got us some food in our grub. Now it's time to go. Now, this is off 31. 31 south of South Bend, right before Kokomo, Indianapolis. If you guys come through here at this Love's, pretty much guarantee a spot to park. I'm just saying, because this is kind of new, and it's not off no major, well, 31 is kind of a major thoroughfare from South Bend or from Michigan down to Indianapolis, but a lot of people don't take it. And this Love's, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 9 trucks in there, and the parking lot's damn near empty. We are on 465. We're on the loop here, Indianapolis. I'm going to take this to I-70 and head westbound. Well, we're fixing to go into Illinois. Don't mind the dirt on the windshield, folks. I gotta clean it off. To St. Louis, Missouri. The arch is over there to our right. Not all the way to the right. If you looked over there about 1 o'clock or 1:30 to our right, you would actually see the arch. We're going to take 70. We're going to take Interstate 44. We're going to take 44 toward Oklahoma. And there is a reason why I'm taking this route. If it does snow, it won't stay on the ground long. But it's not going to be near as bad if I take 80 across. Because it is snowing right now. If you looked at the radar right now, at this very, very moment, it's snowing up there on 80. Illinois, Iowa. The wind is another issue when you get into partway into Iowa, into Wyoming. Now, it doesn't mean it's going to do that tomorrow, but the weather in Wyoming is so unpredictable. It may be sunny in one place and a snowstorm in another, right? Now you should be able to see the arch a little bit. But if we take 44 and go across Oklahoma, now there's another place it could snow, and that's Amarillo, because we'll be taking 40 from Oklahoma City across into New Mexico. Now it could snow there a little bit. If it does, you know, but I think it's going to snow a whole lot less going this way. I am trying to do is get to Joplin. I want to get to Joplin. Right next to the arch, right next to it. I don't know if the camera's got a heavy enough, and if my windshield's even clean enough, you can see that. But to our right, you'll see the arch. We're crossing the Mississippi right now. We'll be in Missouri here in a minute, less than a minute.
In a quarter mile, slide right on I-44 west I-55 south I-44 east I-70 west and then keep to the left at 640 feet.
I've been
In a quarter mile, slide right on I-44 west I-55 south I-44 east I-70 west and then keep to the left at 640 feet. Crossing border, entering Missouri.
I've been inside that arch before. I can tell you exactly how it's designed in there. It's like you sit down, it's like an elevator, but you sit
In
down
400 feet, keep to the left on I-44 west I-55 south.
and it takes you to the very top. And there's windows up there. You can actually look out. And from the ground, it probably doesn't look all that high up there, but from up
In
there,
1 mile, keep to the right on I-44 west.
but from up there, it's pretty high. It looks high. I had to mute her. She was talking way too much. She wasn't letting me get a word in edgewise. There, it's 23 degrees. In St. Louis, Missouri. 4:37 p.m. Eastern Time, local time. Car. Westbound. I really want to make it to Joplin. That's where I still got 5 hours left on today's log. minutes left.